is about this obsession with the RSS. Ashutosh, do you want to begin? Why is there so much obsession with the RSS?
So you see, when Rahul talks about, I mean, he seems to have hit the nail on its head. That's why we can see all this pain. He's talking about the indoctrination, brainwashing, and the teaching of narrow-minded, religious, divisive policies in these schools. Even Mahatma Gandhi in September 1947 had warned and said that RSS wants all the Muslims to leave India. And we know what happened to him in January 1948. Sardar Patel had written to Shyama Prasad Mukherjee about how RSS ideology had created that poison which led to Godse assassinating Gandhiji. That is history. Today also, we keep seeing...
Ashutosh, I understand that you have your thesis on the RSS, but today, I want to understand what is wrong with the Shishu Mandir or the Shakhas. Be very specific. What is wrong with them?
What I started with that. It's about talking about indoctrination, brainwashing, and teaching narrow-minded, religious, divisive politics. I mean, we have had BJP
Who told you that? Rahul Gandhi?
We have had BJP spokespersons through the day talking about their having studied in Shishu Mandir and spreading fake news about how RSS was praised by Mahatma Gandhi. Then again a lie which is repeated again and again and which has been proved wrong in an RTI that RSS participated in the January 26th Republic Day. So they keep talking about this animal steward and
he's a Hindu hater, he's a Hindu basher.
Supporting what Rahul Gandhi's comparison of RSS schools being like
Rahul Gandhi
Ashutosh, what is your problem?
You know, this gentleman has been
Ashutosh, what is your problem? I don't understand. Your problem is with the BJP, your problem is with the RSS, or your problem is with Rahul Gandhi who does not listen to anyone.
Because he has been spewing
Ashutosh.
Their problem is with Hinduism. They will speak against Hinduism at any cost.
And even today,
Ashutosh, what is the problem?
सारा नेहरू जी और जिन्ना ने किया टू नेशन थियरी.
ये कभी माफी नहीं मांगेंगे, ये गोडसे को देशभक्त कहेंगे, और they keep supporting what Mahatma Gandhi warned us against. That they want to throw Muslims out.
Where are you taking this debate? Where are we taking this debate?
Look at these people.
Ratan Sharma is on the debate. Syed Aslam also wants to come in. No, I don't understand this. Ratan,
the fact of the
is the opposition really confused? Is this a problem of understanding comprehension? Or you literally believe that this is all tailor-made for elections?
The person the temple for Godse has joined Congress in Madhya Pradesh. Mr. Mishra, he has not joined BJP or RSS. He has joined Congress, who made a temple for Godse in Madhya Pradesh. So don't talk about Godse. Then I will talk about Jinnah. अरे चिल्लाते रहोगे मैं इतनी देर आपको सुनता रहा.
He understood his mistake that he was with the wrong party और उसने गलती मान ली तो उसको माफ किया जाता है.
कांग्रेस के मेंबर थे.
Ashutosh, at least listen to what he has to say.
कांग्रेस के मेंबर थे और जिन्ना कांग्रेस के मेंबर थे. उन्होंने पाकिस्तान बनाया, लाखों हिंदू सिखों के कत्ल हुए. इसका मतलब कांग्रेस पाकिस्तान बनाने के लिए जिम्मेवार है.
आशुतोष
हिंदू सिखों के खून के लिए जिम्मेवार है और कांग्रेस टू नेशन के लिए जिम्मेवार है. आप इसको स्वीकार करिए. अम्बेडकर जी ने कहा था कि पॉपुलेशन एक्सचेंज होना चाहिए. आप अम्बेडकर को गलत बोलेंगे. अम्बेडकर ने कहा था पॉपुलेशन एक्सचेंज होना चाहिए. क्या आप अम्बेडकर को गलत कहेंगे? चिल्लाना बंद करिए, जवाब दीजिए.
इसी से उनकी रोजी रोटी चलती है. ये उसके अलावा उनका और कोई काम नहीं है. और आप यहाँ आके बार-बार ये झूठ बोले, ये लोगों को एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है. आप ये देख लीजिए. आप आज भी ये सवाल जब उठाते हैं कि आरएसएस ने क्या गलत किया, तो हिस्ट्री में जाके देखिए. आप बार-बार चाहे सरदार पटेल हो, चाहे